Hey everyone! Welcome to ELEC-ED, your go-to destination for all things innovation and excitement. If you're passionate about electronics, coding, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's exploration, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tech-packed adventure. Without further delay, let's jump into today's topic. Today, let's see about IR sensors. First things first, let's talk about the wizardry inside an IR sensor. Picture this: a tiny but mighty infrared light emitting diode, a clever photodiode, and a comparator circuit working in harmony. Now, let's connect our IR sensor to the Arduino. The sensor needs a stable power supply, typically between 3.3 volts to 5 volts. Simple, right? Time for the real magic. The IR LED shoots out invisible light, and when it bounces back from an object, the photodiode catches it. Our comparator circuit then analyzes the signal, deciding whether something is present on its way. But how does the Arduino know what's going on? Well, with code, of course. Check this out. A simple piece of code that reads the sensor's output and lets you know if something's in the way. It's like the sensor is whispering secrets to the Arduino. And that's a wrap, folks. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative,